Hey guys, welcome to Destiny Magical. I'm gonna be naming and test firing. They don't have bullets right now, but I will be reviewing Nerf gun, naming them, test firing, how loud they are, but don't have any bullets. 2 bullets, but I can't use them because they don't go to any one of these guns. So let's get right to it. I've got this gun right here, but I forgot that this gun, it's an alpha, forgot, but it's a sniper. This is a ultra tech sniper. Was I had this Nerf gun, but it's a gun. A Nerf gun Stampede ECS. Nerf Zombie Strike Nerf. I don't remember what kind. The sign thing right there. This gun. When we're playing some games, I usually pick another zombie strike of this flip shirt. Something you can read it if you can. And it comes with a little saw. And I'm gonna take this one on a couch. Same one, same. These are the 2 bullets I was talking about. Yeah. So, I put those aside. Mega Nerf gun. Now that's loud. A little one. Fire Strike Elite Nerf. A Nerf reloader goes to this, but it already has one. This is a holder that would just do that. It would do that, so you put it on the ground and it makes it stand up. And but sometimes if yeah, and this is where we hold stuff. Sometimes bullets, sometimes not. And well, that's gonna be the video. That's all the guns. I will be back. I'll make another video soon, if I can. And bye.